Ever wondered how to make your girlfriend fall even more in love with you? Well, you're in the right place. We've got some surefire ways to unlock her heart even further. And listen, we all know relationships take work, right? It's like my dancing. It doesn't just happen magically, although it would be pretty amazing if it did. It takes effort, it takes commitment, and most importantly, it takes a whole lot of heart. So we're going to talk about genuine connection, those little things that show you care, and how to keep the spark alive. Because at the end of the day, we all want that love story, the one you tell your grandkids about. And trust me, you don't get that by just sitting there like a bump on a log. Get ready to take some notes, because things are about to get real good. Let's do this. Step 1. Warm greeting. Hey there, welcome to the show. Today we're diving into how you can make your girlfriend love you even more. Because, let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel like $1,000,000 in their relationship? And who wouldn't want to make their special someone feel that way too? It's all about spreading the love, people. And let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Chapter 2, Communication is key. First things first, communication. It's like the oxygen of a relationship, people. You can't survive without it. And I'm not just talking about texting what's for dinner. I'm talking about really opening up, sharing your thoughts and feelings, even the mushy, gushy stuff. Think of it like this. You wouldn't believe the conversations Portia and I have. And by conversations, I mean me talking and her pretending to listen while she scrolls through her phone. Just kidding. But seriously, we talk about everything. The good, the bad, the just plain silly. Because that's what keeps us connected. And when I say connected, I don't mean sharing the same Wi-Fi, although that's important too, am I right? I'm talking about that deep, soul-stirring connection that makes you feel like you can conquer the world together. So put down your phones, look into each other's eyes, unless you're eating, that's just messy, and talk. It's the best gift you can give each other. Chapter 3, It's a Thing. Next up, quality time. And no, binge-watching your favorite show while simultaneously scrolling through social media does not count. I see you. Don't even try to deny it. I'm talking about putting away all distractions and just being present with each other. Go for a walk, have a picnic, try that new dance craze you've been seeing everywhere. The point is, create memories together. Remember that time we tried that whole dirty dancing lift thing? Yeah, let's just say it's a good thing we had good insurance. The point is, we laughed, we almost broke a hip, but most importantly, we made a memory. And those memories, my friends, those are the things that make a relationship special. So get out there and make some. Step 4. Small gestures, big impact. Okay, let's talk small gestures. Because let's be real, it's the little things in life, right? A surprise cup of coffee, a sweet note hidden in their bag, a well-timed compliment. These things may seem small, but trust me, they speak volumes. It's like when Portia surprises me with a vegan donut. It's not just about the donut, although let's be honest. The donut is pretty amazing. It's about the thought behind it. It's about her knowing me so well and wanting to make me happy. And who doesn't love a good donut? So pay attention to the things your girlfriend loves and surprise her with those little gestures. It's like saying I love you without even saying a word. Well, you can say I love you too. That always helps. Step 5. Trust and honesty, the foundation of love. Now, let's get real for a second. Trust and honesty. These aren't just buzzwords, people. They're the foundation of any strong relationship. It's like that time I tried to convince Portia I was a professional dancer before we met. Turns out, honesty is the best policy. Who knew, right? But seriously, without trust and honesty, you're building your relationship on a shaky foundation. And nobody wants a relationship that crumbles like a bad batch of cookies. Been there, done that, not cute. So be truthful with each other, even when it's hard. And most importantly, be trustworthy. Because a relationship without trust is like a talk show without an audience. It's just plain awkward. Step 6. Support her dreams, big or small. All right, listen up, because this one's important. Support her dreams. Whether it's starting her own business, writing a novel, or becoming the world's greatest thumb wrestler. Hey, you never know. Be her biggest cheerleader. Believe in her even when she doubts herself. Encourage her to chase after her passions, because seeing the sparkle in her eye when she talks about her dreams, priceless. It's like watching a puppy play with a ball of yarn, pure joy. So, be her rock, her confidant, her biggest fan. Let her know that no matter what, you've got her back. Step 7. Humor is your secret weapon. Now, who doesn't love a good laugh? Humor is like the glue that holds a relationship together. It's the stress reliever, the mood booster, the I love you, you're weird. But in a good way, kind of vibe. Don't be afraid to be silly, to make each other laugh until your sides hurt. Because life's too short to be serious all the time. Plus, laughter is contagious. And who knows, you might even start a laughing epidemic. And wouldn't that be something? Imagine the headlines, "Couples' laughter saves the world." Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. So, go ahead. Tell that corny joke, do that ridiculous dance move, embrace the weirdness. It's what makes your relationship unique and special. Step 8, it involves your ears, the art of listening. All right, folks, let's talk about the fine art of listening. And no, I don't mean pretending to listen while mentally planning your next meal. I'm talking about truly being present, engaging in the conversation, and actually absorbing what your partner is saying. Think of it like this. You're watching your favorite movie. You wouldn't just fast forward to the good parts, would you? Well, maybe you would, but you get the point. Listening is like watching the entire movie, paying attention to the details, the nuances, the emotional roller coaster that is your partner's day. So, put away your phone, make eye contact, and listen. It's one of the most loving things you can do. Step 9. Physical affection, the universal language of love. Okay, let's talk about physical affection. And no, I'm not just talking about the birds and the bees, although that's important too. I'm talking about the simple, everyday gestures that show your girlfriend you care. Holding her hand, giving her a hug, playing with her hair, with her consent, of course. We don't want any hair-pulling incidents. These little touches speak volumes. It's like saying, I love you, I'm here for you, and you're safe with me, all without saying a word. So, don't underestimate the power of touch. It's a powerful way to deepen your connection and make your girlfriend feel loved. Step 10. Be yourself because everyone else is taken. And last but not least, be yourself. Because let's face it, everyone else is taken. And besides, your girlfriend fell in love with you for a reason, right? So don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your quirks, your sense of humor, your dance moves. Even if they resemble a wounded flamingo, we all have our strengths. Authenticity is magnetic. It's what draws people to you and makes them want to stay. So let your freak flag fly. Be proud of who you are, and let your girlfriend love you for the amazing, unique individual you are. Go spread the love. Remember, love is about growing together and making each other better. It's about laughing together, supporting each other's dreams, and maybe even sharing a vegan donut or two. So go out there and spread the love, people. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice, funny stories, and maybe even a dance tutorial or two. Until next time, be kind to one another, stay true to yourselves, and keep on dancing.